Hello guys, how are you? Long time no see you. Today I want to show you BMW N60 engines, how to fix the timing tools, how to make a top cylinder heads and the wall timings. So please just have a look my video and let's see. I want to show you most the timing tool first. So how to use the timing tools? Just see my videos, please. Okay guys, so this is the special tools. So N63 for engine, this is for crankshaft locking, and then the same time we have a one pulley lockers. So at the same time we have to lock the both of the tools. So come, let's see. I want to show you the things first. Okay, so this tools is normally we are fixing here. Okay, so this tool is a fix here, and then you have to lock this flywheel with the pins. Okay brother, and then the same time we have a camshaft lock also. Camshafts, first camshaft you have a need to this one. I already fix it, so I remove and I show you. Okay, so we have a two locker here. One the intake cam locker and the second is the exhaust cam lockers. Okay, so first we have to put this one. Okay, and then after that you have to piston this one, but make sure your your cams are on a positions, and then you will be reset your timings. Thank you very much for watching my videos.